Welcome back to Home Design. Welcome to our captivating exploration of natural courtyard design ideas, where we unravel the beauty of integrating organic elements into the heart of your home. In this video, we'll embark on a journey that celebrates the harmonious fusion of nature and architecture, creating courtyards that not only serve as a respite from the urban hustle, but also as a testament to the exquisite synergy between the built environment and the natural world. A courtyard is a charming and versatile feature for a home, typically an open space surrounded by the walls of a building or a house. Often adorned with greenery, potted plants, pond, or even a small or big garden, a courtyard provides a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It can be designed as an extension of the living space, seamlessly blending the indoors with the outdoors. Courtyards are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer a functional space for relaxation, entertainment, or even dining al fresco. Whether it's a cozy nook with comfortable seating or a more expansive area with a water feature, the courtyard adds a touch of nature and serenity to the home environment. A courtyard is not merely a space, it's a canvas waiting to be transformed into a haven of tranquility and beauty. Picture a lush, open sanctuary nestled within the walls of your residence, adorned with an array of greenery and carefully curated elements to create a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. Imagine stepping into a tranquil oasis within the confines of your own home, surrounded by a verdant tapestry of foliage and blossoms. Our first natural courtyard design idea revolves around transforming your outdoor space into a botanical haven. Envision a diverse array of plant life, from lush potted greenery to hanging gardens that cascade with vibrant colors, breathing life into every corner of your courtyard. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also establishes a connection with the outdoors, fostering a sense of calm and rejuvenation. For those seeking a more immersive natural experience, consider incorporating a garden and natural elements into your courtyard design. This not only adds an element of sustainability to your home, but also allows you to connect with the rhythm of the seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing outdoor space. And for those seeking a cozy and inviting ambience, consider incorporating comfortable seating arrangements into your courtyard design. From rustic benches to stylish outdoor furniture, the options are limitless. Imagine enjoying a quiet morning coffee or a relaxing evening with loved ones in a space that seamlessly extends the comforts of your home outdoors. Water features play a pivotal role in natural courtyard design, introducing the soothing sounds of flowing water to your sanctuary. Whether it's a small fountain, a reflecting pool, or a cascading waterfall, the sound of flowing water can create a soothing ambience, turning your courtyard into a peaceful retreat, and also attract local wildlife, transforming your courtyard into a living ecosystem. The use of natural materials further enhances the organic ambience of your outdoor space. Consider incorporating elements such as wooden decking, stone pathways, and pebble accents to create a tactile experience that complements the visual richness of the natural surroundings. As the sun sets, lighting becomes a crucial element in accentuating the natural beauty of your courtyard. In this video, we'll explore these ideas and more, offering you a visual feast of courtyard designs that cater to various tastes and preferences. Join us on a journey of creativity and inspiration as we unlock the secrets to crafting a courtyard that not only complements your home, but becomes a cherished extension of your living space. Get ready to embark on the exciting adventure of transforming your courtyard into a personalized oasis of beauty and tranquility. Thank you for watching. See you in the inspirational video.